Hi, Cindy here, and I have an angel message for you. For the next few months, there will be a lot of new experiences for you, and you will open up to learning about who you truly are. This is going to be a wild and exciting ride. You will benefit from having someone to talk to about these experiences. This does not have to be a member of your soul family. This could just be a friend who is open-minded and trusts you. You will know in your heart who you can share these experiences with. You will become a beacon of light for many people in your life. People are going to surprise you with their openness to your experiences. You will also not be surprised by those people who are not open to your experiences. This is going to be an interesting unfolding as you begin to see who is just starting to awaken and who is very far from awakening. Pay attention to how you feel as you share your experiences, and that will give you even more insight about the energy of the people in your life. You are not being asked to share more than you are comfortable with. You may even cloak these experiences by claiming they are dreams and feel out some of the people in your life. People around you are beginning to open up and questioning their beliefs, and you have a unique opportunity in the coming months to conduct a little research. If you feel comfortable doing this research, you may want to document your results and keep track of the opening up of people around you. Yes, please only do things you're comfortable doing and sharing only what you're comfortable sharing. I did have a very interesting experience over the weekend. There's a person I've known almost all my life who has always had a very negative outlook on life. And this weekend, when I spoke to them, they were actually being very hopeful and speaking of things filled with light. I was so pleasantly amazed by this conversation, and it gave me so much hope, because I would have categorized this person in a very far from awakening state. And so now I'm excited to see if, and this was just in a regular conversation where I wasn't sharing anything, any experiences, spiritual, nothing. But just seeing them all of a sudden being open to the light, where in the past they've literally been unable to even hear about the light. All they could see was darkness. So that brings me so much hope. And yeah, I'm looking forward to watch this person's journey and hopefully be able to encourage it. But wow, and I'm talking like not even spirituality, just seeing the good in life, which technically is spirituality. But yeah, wow, okay. thank you so much for listening. And I hope you have a fantastic day.